today I'm off to Phuket. I have spent a great week, 6 days in Pattaya. The Songkran Festival is incredible, and I will be back there on the 18th and 19th for the big celebration. But I have made my way down to Utapao Airport, down near Satahip, for a domestic flight down to Phuket direct. Should only take about an hour and 15 minutes. It's about 500, 600 baht to come here in a Go or a Grab, so just like an Uber down. Super nice airport, not real crowded unless you're flying international. There's a big Russian 777 on the way out, so the line to check in there is huge. But Bangkok Airways was just walk up to the counter and get your boarding pass and head off. So now it's time for security. No restaurants open upstairs, only downstairs, just a tip if you head this way. But there's a Cafe Amazon, there's an Auntie Annie's, pretzels, and some other things if you want to get some food. But maybe a good idea to eat before you come here. I will catch up with you guys on the other side. Welcome to Phuket. Now to get a ride. Going all the way to Karon Beach. You can get a private taxi for 1,000 baht, or you can ride the minibus for 200 baht. You just have to wait for 11 people, maybe 20 minutes or so, but it's a whole lot cheaper, $6 instead of 30. All right, made it to the hotel. This is the Karona Resort and Spa. This is a deluxe sea view room that I booked. Let's see what it looks like. They provide water and coffee every day, towels every day. Huge room, 2 nice beds. Another nice day bed here at the window. Let's take a look at the view. Definitely a sea view. TV. Big room. Very nice. Just got the AC going, we'll cool it down a little bit. Let's step out here and see what it looks like. What a view, yeah. Gonna enjoy this for 3 days. Nice pool. There was a restaurant, a bar, happy hour specials, and easy walk to the beach. Closet space. Let's check out the bathroom. All tile or stone. Very nice. Towels, a little more storage there. Don't need a whole lot of storage. Travel light. One carry-on in the camera bag. Alright, so that's the room tour. This is where I'm living for the next 3 days. Enjoying the area around Phuket. We'll see what we can do for sunset, get down to the beach. I think first on the list is get something to eat. It has been a little bit of a day of travel. One little update on the travel from the airport. So the minibus turned out to be not such a good idea. Super cheap, but they wait until there are 11 people so that, you know, they make the most bang for their buck on a trip. But after waiting almost 45 minutes, they were only at 5 people and still waiting for 6 more. So that didn't work out for me. I ended up getting a Bolt, paid about 650 baht. Took about an hour and 30 minutes with the traffic and everything, a little heavier because of Songkran. But nice private ride. I should have saved the other 200 baht and just, you know, sprung for 600 baht. Actually, when I got there, it was a little bit of a slower time, so it was only 550 when I first arrived, but busy time. Peak pay hit, and it went up another 100 baht, but that's, you know, it's only a couple dollars, so not too worried about that. Anyway, Thanks for following along. I will take you to the evening and we'll get through day 1 in Phuket. Beach is looking good, still looking for some food.
Doesn't get more fresh than that. That looks good. Crab and shrimp and lobster and fish. Look at some of the prices. $3 to $5. Little corn on the cob for 40 baht. Let's go get some fresh food, some fresh seafood. Watch that sunset build. It's awful hazy. Probably won't last long, but it'll be pretty for a minute. This first place, the flowers have caught my attention. Just colorful. Let's see what we can get here. While they are cooking the squid, thought I'd run across the street and get another shot at this sunset that's coming. Little after dinner stroll through Kata. No water play going on down here, but it is still wild up in Pattaya.